Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Oge a kpọrọ ndị MC akụrọla anyị aka. So, ihe nchọrọ ime ọzọ ka ọkwa ndị MC mgbọsi ebe m na-achọ ka akụ aka. MC for the day, Chief Nwangu. Because a round of applause. And also, my humble self, Azuka Benson, Machinega, Kopulaka. Hello, Ndiwo, no, Niyara, Kenem, Iyara, Pepe, Iyara, Person, Nika DJ, When, Person, I say no, none. Hello, because I say all your follow. All of from the dialogue, good Yamania. I follow, I would be here at Community Association. Follow Westionia. I follow the Okija leprosy settlement. They were fencing. I never found Makana, no, if it is significant. On the way to see the weather people, and one day, and make up when they were happy about us every teaching. On the weather people, where they are. I saw Chineke because none. I know. And I will teach question although I Kama no, it was very nice. How we are doing it. You get on that long. That was great. Hello. What is it that talk? Can you call it? God will lose it. Never. Go. Doctor. Doctor and Mrs. Red, no call. How about that? Doctor and Mrs. Bowman Douglas, the ever president of River State. Because not Koreaka, not Rover. Maya de Wopia, well, before that. As Doctor and Mrs. Bowman Douglas, the ever president of River State. No, you're welcome. On your side now, who engineer and Mrs. Leo Anyanwu, because we know that now we need to engineer and Mrs. Leo Anyanwu never. Because we know that we need to broken down or ya, or attack and because Barrister Mago never, Sinakoliaka. Barrister, you're highly welcome. I got chocolate. It for butter. Okay, I got chocolate. I need more butter. Onion. onye nke anyị a na-akpọ Bishop Okeke. Bishop Okeke, biko kụpụrụ ya aka n'ọkwa ndị Bishop Bishop o chizuru echizu. You are very welcome. Yeah. Okay, ọ ga-adịkwa mma ka anyị kpọbata nwanne anyị nwoke afọ ya bụ nwanne anyị nwoke na nwanne anyị nwanyị bụ Chief and Mrs. Ruben Emelonye. Biko kọrọ gị aka. Emelonye, Chief and Mrs. Ruben Emelonye. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-abata, anyị ga-achọ ka ife na-ekwu bụ na anyị ebidogo ọgbara ọsọ ife ọzọ anyị ga-ebido ọnwe ndị anyị chọtara anyị chọrọ ịbụ mana anyị dị confirmation na ọmadị nwa na-abọ ndị ụma ọ bụrụ na taa na trafik anyị chere ọrụ na balute na ọba ebe oche na anyị ga-achọsi ka awa ebe chairman patasite ya were oche global credentials I actually for Chief M.O. S.N. and the Ngozi Propius S.M.I. because Seko Prona Baka DJ. This is a whole family in the man and I don't know about this religion. All this is religion. And they go as well as the chairman and the wife, people, there's the wife, and I take the name, no, the chairman, I take the name, no, okay. Ebe ọ bụ na the chairman ewurugo oche ọ na-abụ ife dọrọ ife anọdebe ya so anyị chọsiri ka anyị fọsie our own beloved able matron ka ọ bịa nọdebe our chairman n'isi oche and her name is no other name but matron Mrs. Igboaka and Dr. Ibaka, because Kapapia will not change you. As in quick honor to whom honor is due. Before you know the apple, I told our Miss Mama that you will not change. So now go possible guy driver. I'm not trying to go. I'm not so good. When I'm going to associate to all scholars here. Because everyone you will can't another what I'm saying is, those of us that don't understand the language, I have not ignored you or anything. I'm going to try as much as possible to speak in English as well, but I'm going to try and concentrate in Igbo as well because this is our mother tongue and we are proud to be Igbos. So do forgive me if I speak more Igbo than the English, but we want to recognize this part as an Igbo event. Because apologies. Thank you. Of course, everyone will expect the patron to be announced. And we will not disappoint you. We are going to do just that. We are going to introduce our able patron for Indiana Community Association. And that is nobody else but Dr. and Mrs. Ikweke, the Emerald Pencil, because they call you a position. They call you a position. Now this couple in there, for the backbone of the Indiana community. The husband, our patron, is one-time president of the Indiana Community Association. And also, to balance it out, you have the wife, also the one-time past president of Indiana Community. Because people know that thank you.
Okay, well, you can know what it is.
We're going to call upon Dr. and Mrs. Olaoluwa. You have been called to high table. Please make your way to the high table. Let us recognize you. For that we made you, I stand corrected. Who come to the high table? Apologies for the mispronunciation. Dr. and Mrs. Olaoluwa, you're highly welcome to hear our community association about. Thumbs up. Okay. Give honor to a very special man, a very special person, a very special president, a very special brother, the person that is the rock of Indiana Community Association at this particular point in time. The person that is standing as a role model and to look up to lead us and direct us to achieve all the things that we set out for this year and the year after. This person is no other person than Mr. and Mrs. Gillian Elujuwa Mbadiwa of India. Because one of them, open the our ever president, our ever president. Comes up.